Hello students, once again welcome to English grammar class. Today my topic is preposition, and this preposition, it's not meant for any particular class, it's for everyone. Okay, from 6th class to 12th class everyone needs preposition, so it's for everyone. Okay, now let's start. What is preposition? A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show relationship between the person or the thing. Okay, denoted person or the thing denoted by it and something else. Clear? Once again listen. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show the relationship between the person or the thing denoted by it and something else. Clear? Now let's start with preposition of time, that is for and since. Okay, look, I have highlighted for and since. For is followed by a period of time. Clear? By a period of time. Example, we have been living in this town for 8 years. Okay, for 8 years. Okay, now it's a, what is 8 years mentioned? What is 8 years mentioning? A period of time. Now look, since. Since is followed by a point of time. Okay, by a point of time, not period of time, but a point of time. We have been living in this town since 2000. Okay, point of time. Okay. Now from. From is also used before a noun or a phrase denoting some point of time. Okay, again point of time. Example, we shall rest from May. Okay, he will come to school from tomorrow. Now next is at, in, and on. At is used with an exact point of time. Okay, exact point of time. Look, the bell rang at 2 o'clock. At is also used with festival like at Christmas, at Easter. In is used with periods of time. Okay, for example, in is used with periods of time. For example, our relatives arrived in the morning. The museum will be closed in July. For months also, in. Okay, now on. On is used with days and with dates which include the day. Okay, for example, we play cricket on Sunday. Okay, on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on. Battle was fought on 6th October. Okay, date. Before date also we put on. Okay, now look, in and on are not used before today, tomorrow, yesterday, day after tomorrow. Okay, I've given example also. I'm going to market tomorrow. No in, no on, nothing. I did not go to school yesterday. And look, on and upon, difference. On is often used in speaking of things at rest, and upon is generally used in speaking of things in motion. For example, we sat on the ground, resting position on. The cat sprang upon the table, motion, therefore upon. Same is the case with in and into. In implies a state of rest. Okay, while into denotes motion. For example, look, he is in his room, resting position. In, he fell into the river, motion, therefore into. Okay, there are many more, okay, prepositions, and that I will tell you in my next video. Okay, until then, go through it and goodbye. Clear?